Want to loop videos in CapCut? Watch this. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth video loop in CapCut. I'll also show you how to create a reverse loop, where the video plays forward and then plays backward. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Next, tap on the New Project option. This will open your Photos app. Now select the video you want to loop and tap Add. Once the video is added to the timeline, you may see an ending screen. Select it and tap Delete to remove it. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on Overlay. Then tap on Add Overlay. Select the same video from your Photos app and tap Add. The second copy of the video will now appear as an overlay. Next, adjust the second video so that its frame lines up correctly with the original video. Now, select the second video. At the bottom, swipe through the editing options and look for opacity. Tap on opacity, then drag the slider all the way down to 0. After that, tap on the keyframe option. Now move the playhead to the end of the first video. At this point, increase the opacity of the second video from 0 to 100. Then tap the check mark to save the changes. Now tap the play button to preview the video. You should see the second video smoothly appear as the first video ends, creating a continuous loop effect. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your video. After exporting, open your Photos app and play the video to make sure everything looks correct. Creating a reverse loop? Now let's create a reverse loop. Go back to CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the same video from your Photos app and tap Add. Once the video is added to the timeline, move to the end of the video and tap the plus icon. Select the same video again and tap Add. The second copy will now be added after the original video. Select the second video. At the bottom, swipe through the editing options and find Reverse. Tap on Reverse. CapCut will take a few moments to process the video. Once it's finished, tap the play button to preview your video. Now the first video will play normally and the second video will play in reverse, creating a smooth reverse loop effect. If you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save the video. Finally, open your Photos app and play the exported video to check the result. And that's it. Now you know how to create a regular loop and a reverse loop in CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.